Welcome to Gemara Academy. In this class, we will present a summary of one of the points in Tosfos Dibra Maschil Rechava Shisha Pater. So here we're going to present a summary in the form of a chart, and what we're going to bring out over here is the opinion of Rashi and the opinion of Rabbeinu Hananel regarding when is it considered a Rosh Hashanah. When does it qualify as a Rosh Hashanah through having the area of 4 Tfachim by 4 Tfachim in the width of this place that we're looking at to see if it's a Rosh Hashanah. So we have two cases. Now when it comes to a round object, like in our Gemara, the basket, the equivalent of 4 by 4 Tfachim translates to 5.6 Tfachim. So in the first case we have a basket that's 5.6 Tfachim, including the walls of the basket. In the second case, we have a basket that's 5.6 Tfachim. The inside of the basket is 5.6 Tfachim, besides the walls. So in this thesis, he brought down the opinion of Rabbeinu Hananel, he disagreed with it, and then went with the opinion of Rashi. So we're going to present first Rashi, and then Rabbeinu Hananel, just in the order that we learn Gemara with Rashi, and then to Tosfos. So Rashi says regarding the first case, where it's 5.6 including the walls, that yes, this is a Rosh Hashanah, and therefore it comes out that when Abaya says it needs to be 6 Tfachim to qualify as a Rosh Hashanah, that's just a Chumrah that we're considering the 5.6 as an object that the person should be Chayav for carrying it. We don't consider it yet a Rishus, but it really is already a Rishus. So Rashi says that this is a Rosh Hashanah. However, Rabbeinu Hananel argues and says, no, it's not a Rosh Hashanah, because in order to qualify as a Rosh Hashanah, it needs the 4 Tfachim by 4 Tfachim in width in the ear of the object, or here the 5.6 Tfachim in the ear of the basket, and since it's not there, because it's only completed with the walls, this is not a Rosh Hashanah. So when the Gemara says that it needs to be 6 Tfachim to be a Rosh Hashanah, it means it literally 5.6 will not be a Rosh Hashanah. It is an object, and that's why we treat it as an object. It's not a Chumrah. And regarding the second case, where we actually have the space within the basket itself, so there Rashi certainly says it's a Rosh Hashanah, because even if we didn't have the ear just with the walls, it would be a Rosh Hashanah. Certainly if it's even larger and we have the ear space of 5.6, it's a Rosh Hashanah. Rabbeinu Hananel says that now it is a Rosh Hashanah since it has the 5.6 Tfachim of ear, 5.6 Tfachim requirement in the ear of the basket. And that's why the Gemara says it needs to be 6 Tfachim, because if it's 5.6 in the ear and give 0.2 for each wall, it'll end up being a total of 6 Tfachim. So specifically 6 Tfachim becomes a Rosh Hashanah.